Welcome to Vijay Chemistry. Good evening. And today we are going to discuss electrochemistry part 4 பார்க்க போறோம். இந்த கிளாஸ் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வந்து நம்ம இ செல் வாட் இஸ் கால்ட் செல் பொட்டன்ஷியல் பார்த்தோம். அதோட ஃபார்முலாஸ் பார்த்தோம். Then how to derive the Nernst equation for half cell. And today target I am going to discuss Nernst equation for complete cell and followed by equilibrium constant and finally we discuss about one the disproportionation. Okay. Now see very important please note Nernst equation for complete cell. Okay, so before entering the concept I will revise the previous class. Okay, what is the formula? First I discuss what is the e naught formula. First formula, the e naught cell is equal to er minus el. E naught r minus listen, very important, both e naught r and both e naught l, it should be what? SRP. What is SRP mean? Standard reduction potential. Do you know very well? More, please mute your mic. More negative value of SRP undergo oxidation, right? Oxidation. And less negative value SRP undergo reduction. Very simple. Okay, both are positive. Less positive undergo oxidation, less positive undergo oxidation, or more positive undergo reduction. Okay, both are negative. More negative undergo oxidation and less negative undergo reduction. Okay, the first one. And second formula, that is called, okay, cell represent. Okay, now zinc to gives Zn2 plus, it is solid, it is aqueous state. Now it's a double dagger and Cu2 plus aqueous and this Cu. We know that this is a salt bridge. Actually, this indicates salt bridge. This indicate what? Salt bridge. This is called phase boundary. This is phase boundary. Okay. Now third one. Okay, Nernst equation? E say before Nernst equation I'll discuss delta G, right? Delta G equal to minus NFE, or we call delta G naught equal to delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell. Okay, now what is N? Net transfer electrons. What is F? Faraday. That is 96500. For exam point of we have to take 10 power 5. Okay, and fourth formula very important, Nernst equation. What is the fourth formula? E cell that equal to the E naught cell minus 0.0 minus 0.0591 by n into log Q. Okay. Now fifth for She electrode. For She electrode, okay. Now ESRP that equal to minus 0.0591 into pH. Reduction potential. Other oxidation potential, this is ESOP. This is equal to plus 0.0591 into pH. Okay. For this 5 formula we discussed in previous class. Please note. Okay. Important formula. Already we discussed all the numerical. This is based on this 5 formula, right? Now I am going to enter to how to derive the Nernst equation for complete cell. Okay. It's important. Please note. Next topic. Note important. Today topic. Using Nernst equation. Listen. This is using Nernst equation. Nernst equation for an complete cell. Complete cell. Okay. I start from Daniel cell. Okay, it's simple one. Daniel cell. Daniel cell. Tell me, so for Daniel cell, which is anode, which is cathode? In Daniel cell, which is anode, which is cathode?
Zinc is anode, copper is cathode.
copper is cathode, sir.
In cell representation, what is the position of zinc? Left side, right side? In cell representation, always. Zinc,
Left side, sir.
Left hand side,
left side.
sir.
If I take zinc as solid, undergo oxidation become Zn2 plus, okay, and aqueous and double dagger, salt bridge, Cu2 plus, aqueous and Cu. Listen, if you want to write the Nernst equation, if you want to write Nernst equation for complete step now, okay, complete reaction now, step number 1. What is first step? We have to know. First, என்ன பண்ணோம்னா, okay, write the balance complete cell. Balance complete cell reaction. Complete cell reaction. Okay, you have to balance the equation. Okay, complete cell reaction and write its reaction quotient. Reaction quotient. Okay, now see for this reaction, Daniel cell. Zn solid 2 gives Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron. So this is anode. A for anode. Now what is cathode? Is simple, right? Cu2 plus aqueous and 2 electron. This will become copper solid. Yes or no? Now add these two equations. Simple. This is cancel out. Okay. Now what is final Nernst reaction? Zinc solid plus Cu2 plus aqueous 2 gives Zn2 plus aqueous, then Cu solid. Okay. Now tell me what is the reaction quotient? This one. What is Q value for the cell reaction? Anyone? We discussed already. Q value. What is Q value?
Zinc,
Zn2 plus by
plus copper solid.
copper 2 plus.
Okay.
What is value of copper solid? 1.
Sir, 1, sir.
Otherwise copper zinc salt also always 1 down. Listen, the activity, okay, the activity means concentration. The activity of pure solid and activity of pure liquid is 1. Is a Q value for what? Reaction given the okay, step 1 idam. What is step 2? Simple. Step number 2. Calculate the standard EMF. What is step number 2? Calculate the standard EM of the cell. EMF of the cell. That is called E naught. Standard na. Now what is the formula? That is E naught cell. That is E naught cathode right side minus E naught anode. Okay. Again, I'm telling, listen, in case of the EM of the formula, both cathode and both anode should be SRP. Again, I'm telling SRP down. Okay. Simple, right? SRP, okay, now watching. This step 2. What is step 3, Amina? Step number 3. Please note. Okay. And use the Nernst equation. Use the Nernst equation. Nernst equation. Very simple na. E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N into log Q. Yes or no? Listen, we find out this Q value. This also you know, right? Then we can apply, we can find out what E cell value. Important, please note. Next, very important. Okay, what is next concept now? We have to go with the equilibrium condition for the reversible cell. Okay, very important. Please note. Next topic. Listen, we discussed this Nernst equation in equilibrium. Then I go with the problem. Okay, next important. Please note. This is equilibrium condition for reversible cell. equilibrium condition for reversible cell reaction. Okay. Now, what is the formula? Okay. How we derive this equation? What is the basic formula? We know, right? Delta G equal to delta G naught plus RT and ln Q. Right. Or we can apply the delta G value this equation. What is the formula end with? That is E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N into log Q is the formula. Okay, let's see. Now very important. Okay. Hot equilibrium. What is the condition? Hot equilibrium. Okay. Delta G is equal to 0. Yes or no? Delta G is equal to 0. Delta G 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா what is formula? Delta G is equal to minus N of E S or E cell. Therefore 0 equal to minus N F E cell. Now what is minus? Therefore the E cell also 0. Very, very important. Please understand. Okay, listen. At equilibrium, very important. Okay, at equilibrium, delta G equal to 0. E cell equal to 0. Okay, correct. Both are correct. But at equilibrium, very important, delta G naught is not equal to 0. Equal to 0. And E naught cell also what? Not equal to 0. Very important, please note. This is important, okay? Now, அப்ப எப்பலாம் ஒரு கண்டிஷன் ஈக்குலிபிரியம் கண்டிஷன் இருக்கும் அந்த கேஸ்ல E cell equal to 0. Okay. அப்ப what is the other one? The Q is become K equilibrium. The condition. புரியுதா? அப்ப at equilibrium, the reaction quotient become equilibrium constant and delta G 0, the delta G naught not equal to 0. E cell 0, but E naught is not equal to 0. Why delta G naught not equal to 0? Na? Whenever they use not standard, right? The standard condition on the okay independent upon equilibrium. Okay, this is very important. Please note. Okay, now apply this condition to the next equation. என்ன வரும்? E cell 0 வா? அப்ப 0 equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N into log K equilibrium. Yes or no? Now what is the formula? Simple formula. Therefore, the E naught cell equal to 0.0591 by N into log K equilibrium. Now this is a formula, please note. This is a relation between what? The equilibrium constant as well as E naught cell. Okay. Now this is simplify பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா that is என்ன formula வரும்னா that is log K equilibrium equal to what? E naught cell into N by 0.059 இதான் formula. கவனிங்க. இப்ப இந்த log K equilibrium equal to E naught into N by 0.059 இது ரெண்டா பிரிக்கணும். Based on the option, okay? Based on option, we can do two equations. First condition, K equilibrium, that equal to anti-log of E naught cell into N by 0.0591. Simple. Or we can write this also. K equilibrium is equal to 10 power E naught cell into N by 0.0591. அதுவும் இல்லையா இன்னொரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. This is what? Okay. E power E naught cell into N by 0.05. Okay. Maximum case we can apply these two formula. This one and this one. Okay. Whenever the equilibrium problem, we have to know how to take anti-log. Okay. And tomorrow I will teach. Okay. Tomorrow I will teach without calculator how to take anti-log and log. I discuss tomorrow. Tricks இருக்கு நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? நம்ம இந்த கான்செப்ட் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே. அப்ப ஆப்ஷன் listen. Option 10 power இருந்தா you can use first formula. When options are 10 power, we can use second formula. Right? Data போடலாம். E power on the third formula. அதே ஆன்சர் 1.2 சம்திங் இருக்கு ஒரு நம்பர் வச்சு வந்து அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண புரியுதா? Maximum the first two formula they will ask the exam. Important, please know. Important. Exam la கேட்பாங்க. Okay. Very important equilibrium concept. இல்லையா சார்? கவனி ஒரே நிமிஷம் ஒரு சின்ன சேஞ்ச் இருக்கு. கவனி இப்ப இது லாக் ஃபார்மா அது ஈக்குவல் லான் ஆன் தான் இதே லான் கே equilibrium that equal to E naught of NF by RT இது ஃபார்முலா. இதை என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம வந்து that is K equilibrium is equal to E power ln equals same okay E naught of NF divided by RT is formula. Now okay, this is for only this is for K ln K formula ln K equilibrium. This is for log K equilibrium. Both are different, okay? Now what's maximum case they ask log only. Important, please note. Okay, now going into one question, Bolama. Please know. This is CSR question. Just try this net. Question is net. Net exam 2012 question. And question na the equilibrium constant of the reaction. The equilibrium constant for the reaction. And 2 Fe3 plus Sn2 plus equilibrium 2 Fe2 plus Sn4 plus. Okay. Now idoda E naught value for E naught value. This is Fe3 plus become Fe. The value pathina around 0.75 volt. Similarly, the E naught value of Sn2 plus become Sn. The value வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா become 0.15 volt. 0.15 volt. Okay. Now option A 10 power 10. Option B 10 power 20. Option C 10 power 30. 4 more question. Okay, this is option D 10 power 40. Just try anyone. I give you 2 minutes time. Just try this question. First write the E cell formula. Then we have to find out first E naught cell converting. N value. What is N value, students? What is N value for this reaction? N value. Net electron transfer. N value for this reaction. Anyone? 1 or 2? N value for this reaction.
1.
1. 1 or 2? N value for this reaction 1 or 2? Check properly.
2, sir.
2. Good.
Sir. 2.
Okay. What is the E naught cell value? What is the formula? ER minus EL, right? Now is Fe and thin net. Which undergo oxidation, which have reduction? Any idea? These two which undergo oxidation, which undergo reduction?
Yes.
Reduction, sir. Fe reduction, sir.
Fe reduction.
Oxidation, sir.
Good, super.
Yes, sir.
See, very
Tannous
simple.
oxidation.
Super. Now what is the formula? The log K equilibrium that equal to E naught cell into N divided by 0.059. Okay, this one Sn2 plus became Sn4 plus but 2 electron, therefore N is equal to 2. Simple. Now, what is E naught value? E naught cell. E naught cell. Now, listen. 3 plus become Fe, SRP. Similarly, Sn2 plus become Sn, SRP. Now, both are SRP. Okay, don't worry. Both are SRP, which is more. Listen, I told right, more negative SRP under oxidation. But both are positive, less positive. But the less positive, this is oxidation, anode. This is cathode. Formula, we know that E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. Formula 0.75 minus 0.15 volt. Answer 0.60. 0.60 answer. அவ்வளவுதான் சிம்பிள். சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்ப log K equilibrium that equal to 0.60 by 2 into 0.0591. Okay. Now what is answer? That is log K equilibrium equal to 20. Therefore, K equilibrium 10 power 20x. Important, please note. Important, please note. What is the answer? Option? Option B. Understand? Shall we go next question? Ready? Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Please raise your hand. We go with this question. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, try this question. Okay. Very simple question. This is net. Yes, sir. This is net. 2017 question. Simple question, basic question. Okay. 4 mark question. Logical question. Try பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Theory based question now. The electrochemical cell potential. The cell potential. That is E cell. Okay. Of the reactant product. Of the reactant and product reach equilibrium, reach equilibrium, bracket la E naught is equal to standard cell potential, okay, and N is equal to number of electron involved. Option A, E is equal to E naught plus NF by RT. Option B, E naught cell is equal to 0. Option C, please mute your camera. E cell equal to 0. Option D, E equal to E naught. Answer ma? Simple. What is answer? The cell potential of the reactant and product reach equilibrium. Now, what is the correct representation? This one. Anyone? Simple question.
Equal to E naught, sir.
Option A or B or C?
C.
C, good. How C? I told right. Son, at equilibrium. At C option correct. At equilibrium, what I told? Delta G only 0. Therefore, E cell 0. Yes or no? Therefore, option C is correct. Very simple. Okay. Next question. Monica. Listen, exam if they ask equilibrium constant, if they ask formation constant, both are same. Okay. Now see. Try this question. This is net 2016 question. Net 2016 question. Given, write the given data. Given first Zn plus 4 moles of ammonia to gives Zn NH3 4 times 2 plus 2 electron. Therefore, the E naught cell value equal to 1.03 volt. Okay. Now second simple. And Zn to gives Zn 2 plus 2 electron. Either value that is E naught is equal to 0.763 volt. Okay. 763 volt. The formation constant. the formation constant of the complex. Of the complex. And a complex in complex. And a complex that is Zn NH3 4 times 2 plus is option A. Option A 1 into 10 power 5. Option B 1 into 10 power 7. Option C 1 into 10 power 9. Option D 1 into 10 power 12. Find out. Same concept ditto. An answer. Anyone? இது என்ன ஃபார்முலா? அதே ஈக்குலிபிரியம் ஃபார்முலா. Therefore, law K formation that equal to the E naught cell into N by 0.059. What is N value, students? What is N value? Simple. What is N value? N value.
2
What is N?
electrons, sir.
2 electron. Good. What is E naught cell value? E naught cell value formula. Cathode minus anode, which is cathode. See the value. Is anode. This is cathode, right? Less positive. More negative anode. Upper 1.03 minus 0.763. All answer wrong. That is equal to 0.267. Now, what is the answer for this question? Simple. Now, the log K formation is equal to 0.267 into 2 by 0.059. Electric option K is equal to 10 power 0.267 into 2 by 0.0591. What is the answer now? 10 power 9. We'll do a calculation, okay? 10 power option C is correct. Important, please note. Important, please note. Okay. Let's follow. Next numerical. Just like this. Is it based on what? Completeness equation. This is question number 3. This is JE advanced question. You can try. Listen, NEET exam very basic level down. Don't worry. Don't NEET questions solve panna venam. To go with JE mains and JE advanced. JE advanced questions is a India la idu vandu orders question chemistry lana JE advanced exam da. Okay, adha vandu irukudile even compared to CSR gate oda JE advanced JE advanced question da irukudile orders questions. Okay, if you want to shine the basic things, the basics ரொம்ப strong ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா we have to practice the JE advanced questions. Okay, JE's mean basically ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கணும், ரொம்ப இன்டெப்தா பேசிக் தெரியணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? We have to solve JE advanced solve பண்ணீங்கன்னா we have to improve our basic knowledge. Okay, basics போதும், basic தெரிஞ்சா we can solve all the questions. Okay, now try this question, very simple. Determine the EMF cell, the EMF of the cell. என்னன்னா platinum, a hydrogen gas to gives H plus aqueous double dagger, Fe 3 plus aqueous, then Fe 2 plus aqueous, we can use platinum. Okay, now pressure of this gas on the 0.1 bar. Okay. Fe occurs வந்து 10 power minus 3 molar. Fe2 value வந்து 0.01 molar. Okay. Given குடுக்குறாங்க. What is given value now? The given the E0 cell of Fe2 plus become Fe3 plus. எவ்வளவு கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா this is minus 0.17 volt. Okay. We have to find E cell value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Option கொடுத்துறேன். Option A 0.48 volt. Option B 0.38 volt. Option C 0.17 volt. Option D 0 volt. Right? Any question? Anyone? Any idea? Listen. First, we have to write the Nernst equation. Okay. What is first step? For writing Nernst equation, we have to write the cell reaction with balanced stoichiometry, right? Yes or no? Now we have to do. Very simple. Now listen. I told right, whatever the given left side, any reaction, anode, oxidation. Yes or no? Therefore, what is the reaction? I give right oxidation. This anode reaction, oxidation. This is half H2. 2 gives okay H plus 1 electrons. This of course. This is reaction, anode reaction. For cathode is simple. Cathode reaction Fe3 plus electron 2 gives Fe2 plus. No cell reaction. Very simple. This is gas. This is aqueous. This is aqueous. This is aqueous. Electron cancel. Electron cancel. Now what is the equation of H2 gas plus Fe3 plus aqueous 2 gives H plus aqueous plus Fe2 plus yes. Yes or no? For this reaction, we can write Q reaction question. Q value. What is Q value for this one? Q value. What is Q value? Q is equal to H plus concentration by Fe2 plus concentration. What next step? The pressure of H2 gas 1 by 2. Then the concentration of Fe3 plus. Okay. Now see. Now we have to find E0 value, right? E0 value. We know this is. Tell me this one. Is SRP SOP? This one. SRP SOP. This one. Anyone? Fe2 plus become Fe3 plus. SRP SOP. First.
SOP, sir.
SOP, right? Formula E0 is SRP. What is the formula E0 cell? The E0 cell that equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode, right? Now what is it? SRP? What is it? SOP now? What is SRP value? This is equal to plus 0.17 volt. Listen, in the cell value plus 0.7. Shear SRP, students. What is shear SRP? Shear SRP value 0. Appa either SRP 0. The value either SRP on the plus 0.17. Which undergo anode, which undergo cathode? Tell me. She undergo anode cathode illa Fe tell me she undergo anode cathode. Any idea? Simple, I given the value.
She anode, sir. She anode.
Why anode? Because of less negative, right? Less positive value.
Yes.
Therefore,
Yes,
0.17 minus 0. What is answer? Simple. Plus answer plus 0.17 volt. Now we know the formula, right? Next equation formula. What is the formula? Simple. That is E cell equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by N into log Q. Therefore, E cell, what is E naught cell value? 0.17, 17 minus 0.059 by n value 1 down. Now, what is log Q value? What is Q value here? H plus concentration and followed by Fe2 plus concentration. Then the pressure of H2 gas into Fe3 plus. Okay, we know the value, right? H plus value evo? H plus 10 power minus H plus on the 0.1. Wait. Or we should just wait. Value matin. H plus value வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா gasனா pressure 0.1 bar. H plus value வந்து 10 power minus 3 molar. Fe3 plus value வந்து 0.1 molar. Fe2 plus value வந்து 0.01 molar. Okay. Now we are substitute all the value. Substitute பண்ணலாமா? அப்ப அதேதான். E cell equal to 0.17 minus 0.0591 1 log of. What is H plus value? 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. Simple. Fe2 plus value 0.01. Pressure of gas is 0.1 up 0.1 1 by 2 power. Similarly, what is Fe3 plus value? 0.0. Okay. If you do the calculation, what is the answer now? This is E cell value around what? 0.38 volt. Listen, per class cut okay, Zoom 40 minutes free. You can join the same link. Okay. Now, what is the answer? 0.38 volt. Option B is correct. Simple, right? Note important, please note. Next concept, very important. TRB exam la, SLED exam la, okay, even PG Aston exam la, they will ask a direct formula. Okay, the formula based question. They will ask what is the formula for, okay, relation between delta S versus E cell value. That formula they will ask directly. Okay, now discuss now. Very simple. Please on topic, very important. The relation between the potential and other thermodynamics properties. எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம். என்ன ஃபார்முலானா delta G பார்த்து நம்மளுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி delta H என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Then T delta S. Okay, let's transform one delta G. We know what is the delta G formula, right? Everyone, simple. First formula delta G that equal to minus N F E cell. It is first formula. Now see, second I go into delta S பார்க்கலாமா? Delta S கான derivation என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Morning. We studied Maxwell derivation, right? Maxwell derivation. Okay, now I go to direct formula. Then in case of thermodynamics, we can discuss a Maxwell, okay, Maxwell relationship. According to Maxwell relation, delta G that equal to VdP minus SdT. This is one of the Maxwell derivation, okay. What is the formula? Delta G is equal to VdP minus SdP. Okay, listen. At constant pressure, என்ன ஆயிரும் constant pressureல dP is equal to 0 வா? Yes or no? அப்ப dou G okay, differential of dou G delta G by okay is equal to 0 ஆயிரும்ல? is 0 na 0 ஆயிரும் by dt temperature. This equal to minus delta S. இதான் formula. Actually எப்படி இருக்கும் வாங்க எப்படி இருக்கும்னா இது காமனா dG by dt and constant pressure equal to minus S. Okay. இப்போ நம்ம நான் G டெல்டா G எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஓகே, S என்ன பண்ணலாம்? டெல்டா S எடுத்துக்கலாமா? இப்போ டெல்டா G ஃபார்முலா மைனஸ் NF யா? அப்ப D minus NF E cell divided by dou T. Okay, temperature இது. Time. Okay, dt this equal to minus delta S. Minus cancel. இதுல NF கான்ஸ்டன்ட் தானே? தனியா எடுத்துடலாம்ல இத. அப்ப NF. NF equal to okay. Right, we can use okay, partial differential simple. Dou G. Okay, partial differential is பண்ணலாம். Therefore, இங்க E cell by dou T and constant pressure na constant pressure. இது constant pressure தான். Constant pressure equal to delta S. இதான் formula, please note. Okay. And the formula. What is the formula? Delta S equal to, see very important formula, please note. Delta S equal to NF into dou E by dou T and constant pressure. Important, please note. Either dou E by dou T இருக்குல்ல, that is called dou E by dou T and constant pressure. This is equal to what? Temperature coefficient. This is, please mute your mic. Temperature coefficient. Temperature coefficient. Very important, please note. Okay, therefore, what is the formula? Dou E by dou T and pressure that equal to delta S by NF. அது இன்னொரு பேர் efficiency of cell. இது இன்னொரு பேர் என்னது? This is called what? Efficiency of cell. Efficiency of the cell. Now, this important formula, very important, please note. There will be a direct question in exam. Okay, important, please note. Okay, next பார்க்கலாமா? அப்ப delta G over delta S next delta H பார்க்கலாமா? Third delta H. Third delta H. We know the one formula that is called delta G equal to delta H plus T delta S. Yes or no? It's important. Minus, no? Now we know delta G தெரியும், delta S தெரியும். Delta H கண்டுபிடிச்சலாமா? Very simple. Therefore, delta H equal to delta G plus T delta S. Yes or no? Now we know delta G. Therefore, delta H equal to delta G minus NF E cell. NF E cell plus temperature. Now what is the delta S formula? That equal to what? NF into dou E by dou T and constant pressure. Yes or no? Now என்ன பண்ணலாம்? We have to only பண்ணுங்க rearrange பண்ணுவோம். அப்படி பண்ண என்ன வரும்னா delta S equal to okay NF, that is NF into T into dou E by dou T and constant pressure. Okay, minus E, the formula. Important, please note. Important, okay. Now NF common, NF I to common, okay. Very important. This is a delta H formula. Important. Start with the star on this. This is also important. Please note. According to this equation, and I can see this equation delta, okay. According to the equation, the cell potential depend upon temperature. Okay, very important. Okay. I told right Nernst equation for only for given temperature, right? Temperature change panna equation மாறிடும். Okay, now I'm going to prove that one. Please note, very important note பண்ணீங்க. Note. என்ன பாயிண்ட்னா the cell potential depends upon the cell potential depends upon the cell potential depends on temperature. On temperature according to this equation. According to this equation. An equation that is rho E by dou T and constant pressure that equal to delta S by NF. This is the equation. Italia. Yes or no? Now see, therefore, என்ன வரும்னா okay, D is equal to okay delta S by NF okay into dt. இதான் formula. Yes or no? Now take both integrate பண்ணுங்க. The integration of dE limit வந்து E to E naught that equal to delta S by NF அது constant integration of del T this is T இங்க T naught okay என்ன பண்ணா எந்த கேன்சல் ஆயிருமா this 2 are cancel right அப்ப upper minus lower அப்ப E minus E naught this equal to delta S by NF then T minus T naught. Therefore, what is the formula now? E cell equal to E naught cell plus N delta S plus delta S by NF then what? T minus T naught. This is formula. Very important. Listen. Now this formula till very important. And this formula till okay the cell potential is linear function of temperature. Listen, this y is equal to mx plus c. Yes or no? This is y is equal to mx plus c. So straight line linear form, right? Therefore, this equation implies the cell potential. The cell potential is a linear function. Very important. Very important. Please note. The cell potential is a linear function of is a linear function of temperature. Very important, very important statement. They will ask a direct question, theory based question. Please note. Cell potential is a linear function of temperature. Noted. Please note. Yes, Palama. Next one I told last concept, right? What this concept now? We are going to discuss about disproportionate. Okay, disproportionate reaction. Okay, how to find out the E cell value. This is a basic question. They will ask an exam. Please note. Disproportionate reaction. Last concept of today's class. Disproportionation reaction. Tell me what is this disproportionate? Anyone idea? What is the disproportionate reaction? Any idea, students? Anyone? Please tell me. An idea? Any idea? Disproportionate reaction. Yes. Anyone? See, listen.
Please,
I take copper plus. Now this element can show highest as well as lowest. Yes, sir. Copper. Now see, now this element can show higher oxidation state as well as for lower oxidation state. they call disproportionate reaction. Okay, very important, please note. If I want, I go with the questions. Okay, what is the question now? Please write the question. Question point. I will teach the concept. Okay, how to do the question. Simple question now. Just wait. I will take question. Fine. Wait. Question number question. Another question now. Fe E value. E of Fe2 plus become Fe. The value கொடுத்தாச்சு minus 0.44 volt கொடுத்துறாங்க. Next என்ன கொடுத்துறாங்க E0. Okay, E0 value. Next E0 of Fe3 plus become Fe கொடுத்தாச்சு. இதோட வேல்யூ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உனக்கு plus 0.771 volt. Calculate என்ன கேக்குறாங்கன்னா Fe3 plus become Fe question கேக்குறாங்க. இதோட வேல்யூ என்ன கவனிங்க. Listen, I give the general trick formula, simple trick, please note. Whatever they given, okay, what is the formula now? E3 is equal to N1 E1 plus or minus N2 E2 by N3. The formula N3. What is the formula? E3 is equal to N1 E1 plus or minus N2 E2 by N3. What is N1 அப்படின்னா இது first reaction இது first reaction, இது second reaction, they asking third reaction அப்போ what is N1 னா in the first reaction what is the number of electron transfer, அதான் N1. What is N2 அப்படின்னா second reactionல electron transfer. What is E1 னா இது cell potential, E2 னா second cell potential. Okay, E3 சார் நான் வச்சுக்கோ. இப்போ क्वेश्चनல third கேக்குறாங்களா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? இப்போ ஈக்குவேஷன் 1 2 ஆட் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு தேர்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா நான் வச்சுக்கோ. ஓகே, இஃப் ஐ ஆட் ஈக்குவேஷன் 1 and 2 ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணி எனக்கு தேர்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா நான் பிளஸ் பண்ணுவேன். யூ காட் தி பாயிண்ட். சப்போஸ் நான் ஈக்குவேஷன் 1 2 மைனஸ் பண்ணி எனக்கு தேர்ட் கிடைச்சதுன்னா ஐ ஹேவ் டு புட் மைனஸ். சிம்பிள், புரியுதா? we have to check. இப்போ செக் பண்ணலாமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் அது Fe2 plus become Fe. அப்ப Fe2 plus 2 electron become Fe. Equation number 1. Equation 2 என்னது? Fe3 plus 3 electron. Just wait. Okay, 2 plus, okay. Fe3 plus gain 1 electron. It become Fe2 plus. Okay. Now what is equation 3 they given this one? See, this equation 1. This equation 2. What is equation 3? They given Fe3 plus 3 electron to gives Fe. Now tell me, equation 1 2 add பண்ணனும். add பண்ணனுமா மைனஸ் பண்ணனுமா ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்? add பண்ணா 3 கிடைக்குமா? என்ன 3 கிடைக்கும் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்? add பண்ணவா? add பண்ணீங்கன்னா இது கேன்சல் ஆயிருமா?
Fe3 plus 4.
listen, இங்க 3 உங்களுக்கு சிம்பிளா add தான் பண்ணனும், ரைட்? 1 plus 2 3. அப்ப add பண்ணனும். ஃபார்முலா what is the formula? add பண்ற மாதிரி இருந்தா E3 equal to N1 E1 plus. Why plus? Because of if adding the first two equation, I get third equation. கேக்குற equation வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்? First two add பண்ணா we get the third equation, right? Therefore N2 by E2 by N3. What is N1? Students, what is N1 value? N1 value, anyone? N1 value for this reaction? 2 electron. 2 electron. Value minus 0.44 plus N2 value 1. E2 value 0.771 by N. What is N3 value? N3 value, what is N3 value? 3.
3.
If you do only answer E3, this equal to minus 0.036 volt. This answer. Solve பண்ணி get answer. புரியுதா? அப்ப if you adding two equation, you getting third equation plus பண்ணனும். Minus பண்ணது minus பண்ணனும். Simple, okay? I will give 2 questions based on this concept. You can try. Try பண்றீங்களா? Okay. Try this question. Tell me answer. Second question. The Cu2 plus, second idea. The E naught value of Cu2 plus becomes Cu. The value வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, this is 0.15 volt. Next, E naught of Cu2 plus 1, okay? Cu2 plus Cu. The value வந்து 0.34 volt. Calculate the E naught value of E naught cell value for Cu plus 2, Cu plus in the Cu. Yes. Option A 0.45 volt. Option B 0.63 volt. 63 volt. Option C 0.92 volt. Option D 0.53 volt. Tell me this one. First equation Cu2 plus becomes Cu. Upper Cu2 plus gain 1 electron becomes Cu plus. This is the first equation. Second equation is second equation. So Cu2 plus 2 electron 2 gives Cu. This equation 0.34. இதுக்கு sorry. The answer 0.15. இதுக்கு 0.34. நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? நமக்கு வந்து Cu2 plus becomes Cu வேணுமா? சார் நான் வெயிட் நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Cu plus தானா? நம்ம என்ன வேணும் அப்படின்னா Cu plus 1 electron plus Cu. என்ன வேணும்? Tell me. என்ன ஃபார்முலா? இதை 1 எடுத்துக்கோ, இதை 2 எடுத்துக்கோ, இல்ல மாத்தி எடுத்துக்கலாமா? ஃபார் கன்வீனியன்ட் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இங்க ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் இது ஃபார் கன்வீனியன்ட் this one take this one, okay? இது 1 எடுத்துக்கோ, அப்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். இதை 2 எடுத்துக்கோ. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 2 ஒண்ணே மைனஸ் பண்ணலாமா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? 1 minus 2 பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா 1 minus 2 பண்ணா what is first equation? Cu2 plus 2 electron 2 gives Cu. Second equation வந்து Cu2 plus 1 electron 2 gives Cu plus. மைனஸ் பண்ணுங்க வரும். இங்க மைனஸ், இது மைனஸ், அப்ப இது கேன்சல். இங்க 1 எலக்ட்ரான், இது மைனஸ் பிளஸ் ஆயிருமா? பிளஸ் Cu plus 2 gives what? Cu solid. வந்துருச்சா ஈக்குவேஷன்? அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுங்க? you have to minus equation 1 2 மைனஸ் பண்ணுமா? What is the formula? E3. What is the formula? That is E3 is equal to N1 E1 minus N2 E2 by N3. See 3. This is very important. I take this equation 1, okay? This is equation 2. Equation 1 electron 2 electron. But 2 into E naught value 0.34 minus 1 into 0.15. 1 into 0.15 divided by N3 value 1. What is answer? 0.5 pi yellow 5.3 வரும். சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கணும். The answer. புரியுதா? It's purely based on the equations. Damn sure இந்த பேஸ் பண்ணி क्वेश्चंस கேட்பாங்க. Okay. Please note. Any doubts? Just wait, okay. I will take TRB question. Just wait a minute. 1 minute. We'll do some more 1, 2, 3 TRB questions, okay? Based on the cells.
Sir,
Sir, doubt. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Cu2 plus Cu2 plus get cancel and how it comes U plus sir?
Ma'am, again, ma'am.
Sir, excuse me, sir, and cancel
Tell me,
Cu2
ma'am.
plus and Cu2 plus.
Cu2 plus plus.
Like equation, sir,
Which reaction
equation
first?
cancel பண்ணிட்டீங்க. Sir, first and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Cancel
Okay, ma'am.
பண்ணிட்டீங்க.
Cu2 plus 2 electron Cu.
Cu plus.
You have to minus now. Minus
Yes,
பண்ணா this
sir.
is both are cancelled, right, ma'am?
Okay,
2
sir.
minus 1, 2. இது minus Cu plus. But you go left side one plus Cu plus, right?
Sir,
Okay,
if you want to cancel the Cu2 plus, we reverse the reaction in second reaction, we reverse, sir. Then only we can cancel the Cu2 plus.
Cancel out. See, listen. Equation number 1, right? This equation number 1. Cu2 plus 2 electron. 2 gives Cu, right? Equation number 1. This equation 2 I took, right? And Cu2 plus 1 electron and 2 gives Cu plus. I can cancel. I can do the minus. Okay, I can subtract பண்றேன். அப்ப இங்க மைனஸா? இது மைனஸ். இது மைனஸ். இது மைனஸ். Cancel out, right? 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 electron. 1 gives. இது Cu. இங்க மைனஸ் Cu plus. இது கொண்டு left side கொண்டு வராம மைனஸா? பிளஸ் ஆயிருமா? அப்ப Cu plus
okay,
plus 1 electron, 2 gives Cu. Simple.
okay,
If you do reverse now, E cell value also you have to reverse, right?
okay, sir, fine.
That will be more complicated. You can do also if you say if you reverse the cell reaction, we have to reverse the SRP value. Okay, that type also will get the same answer only. Okay. This question, simple question. TRB, okay, delta G based problem. In the question, asked Poland. This TRB question. எந்த இயர் அப்படின்னா 2016. என்ன கொஸ்டின்னா calculate the maximum potential difference அப்படின்னா E cell value. Okay, so maximum work கேட்டாங்கனே. Listen, examல what is the maximum work அப்படின்னா what is the maximum work of the cell கேட்டாங்கன்னா that is equal to delta G. நான் வச்சுங்க maximum, that is useful work, right? Delta G. They asking calculate the E naught value. The E naught value for reduce alumina at 500 degrees Celsius. என்ன ஃபார்முலா? 2/3 Al2O3 to gives 4/3 Al plus O2. The delta G value பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this value around plus 960 kilojoule. Actually delta G negative கொடுக்கும், positive negative எடுத்துக்கும். Okay. Now what is the formula we know? Delta G is equal to minus NF E naught cell. That's E naught cell. Therefore, the E naught cell equal to minus delta G by NF. But delta G என்னது? Minus 960 kilojoule, 10 power 3 joule by FO N value பார்க்கலாம். FO லோ 96510. Tony, what is target? Tell me what is the N value anyone for this reaction? N value. Any idea? N value for this reaction? Anyone? Try this N value. The question actually concept N value. What is N value? Kandupidichita okay. Anyone try N value for this reaction? Simple question. Same question, TRB question for I see the JE questions. இதே ditto question JE ல கேட்டறாங்க. Answer? Anyone, what is n value? Just write n value. Any
Two.
idea? 2. No. See, aluminum reduced, right? Appa Al 3 plus reduce to become aluminium. Al. கவனிங்க இந்த அலுமினியம் 0வா? Yes or no? இந்த Al2 3ல Al plus 3. Okay? இப்ப இந்த ரியாக்டர்ல how many அலுமினியம் இருக்கு? 4/3 அலுமினியம் இருக்கு. இதுல 4/3 அலுமினியம் ப்ராடக்ட்ல. ரியாக்டர் so what? 2/3 in 2 aluminum, 4/3 தான். You got the point. Listen, reactant also 4/3 aluminum. This also what? This also what? 4/3 aluminum. அப்போ 1 அலுமினியத்துக்கு வந்து 3 எலக்ட்ரானா per aluminum. Per Al க்கு 3 electron transfer. For how many aluminum? 4/3. Therefore, the 4/3 electron aluminum into 3 electrons. What is answer? Answer 4. You got the point. See, very simple. Okay. Aluminium become Al3 plus become aluminium. Okay, Al3 become aluminium. And 1 3 electron. How many Al is there in the question? 4/3 Al, right? Yeah. Up and then MC equal to 4/3 into 3. Therefore, 3 is 4 electrons. So n value is equal to 4. Now, what is the answer? If you do the calculation, what is the E cell value around? Minus 2.5 volt. Solve பண்ணி பாருங்க. Calculation பாருங்க. Okay. Okay, ma'am. This about today class. Now time for you. Any doubt you can ask one by one. And tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, next topics. பார்க்கலாம். Okay, ma'am.